Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 4th, 2023. I hope everybody had a great Thursday out there. Hope everybody's having a great Thursday evening, and hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about your forecast for Friday and Saturday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. We'll take a look at the watches, warning, and advisory map. Take a look at the NOAA Storm Prediction Center outlook, an overview, and a few other products they offer on their forecast page. And also, we're going to take a look at the satellite imagery across the southeastern United States for this vicinity here. Okay. If you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's get the show on the road. Okay. We're going to start off in the northeastern United States, and we're going to work our way around. Okay. We got rain shower. We got quiet conditions from Maine all the way into portion of Pennsylvania, down to Virginia, northeast North Carolina, back into the Ohio, back to Chicago, Illinois area, and southern Michigan. We also have some rain showers over a portion of New Hampshire, back into Vermont, eastern New York, all the way down to a portion of Pennsylvania, including New York and Boston areas. We have also showers up here in portions of southern Canada, northern Wisconsin through Minnesota, North Dakota, back into portions of southern Canada and eastern Montana. Got a huge real estate area of thunderstorms extending from Montana through South Dakota to Wisconsin, northern Michigan, back to Nebraska, Kansas, all the way down into Texas and southern and northern Mexico, through the Gulf of Mexico, and also into Louisiana to Georgia to South Carolina, North Carolina, back to back through Kentucky, southern Indiana, much of Illinois, also into Wisconsin and northern Michigan, and Iowa and Missouri as well. In the red slashed area, we have some flash flooding possible in that region. And also we have in the yellow area, slashed area, we have some severe weather possible in that region as well. New Mexico, we got some critical fire weather issues possible. Also we have some mixed precipitation just west of Denver. Also we have some mixed precipitation extended from southern Canada around Vancouver, back down through Idaho, back into western Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, the mountain range of California, northern California, Oregon, and up towards Seattle, Washington area. We have a pocket of rain showers in Washington State, northern Oregon, and also coastal areas from western Washington State through western Oregon down towards San Francisco and northern California as well. Alright, let's take a look at your day 3 outlook. This is Saturday. We're taking a look, and we got quiet conditions from Maine all the way back into Ohio, northeast Virginia, Montreal, and Toronto, Canada. Looks good. We have showers over southern Canada, back to northern Wisconsin, Michigan, back to northeast Wisconsin and southern Canada as well, and also down here in portion of West Virginia, North Carolina, got some showers. We have thunderstorms and showers extending all the way from southern Canada through eastern Montana, North Dakota, back to Minnesota, through Wisconsin, Iowa, Nebraska, Missouri, Indiana, Kentucky, down to South Carolina, and down to Florida, back over to the Houston area, back into Texas as well, with shower and thunderstorm in that vicinity. Also, we have mixed precipitation in portions of Colorado, Wyoming, back into portions of western Montana, Idaho, Vancouver area, Canada, back over to Seattle, Washington, Oregon, mountain change of California, Nevada as well. Got some rain showers over portions of Utah. Also over here in central California, back towards San Francisco, and in the western side of Oregon and Washington State, got a little pocket of showers over Washington State and northern Oregon as well. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar across the nation. As we can see, we got scattered activity over the northeastern United States, southern Canada, maybe a little bit of snow mixed in over a portion of Canada as well. Also, we got quiet conditions here in the southeast. We got shower and thunderstorm activity extended from Missouri back into portion of eastern Kansas through Oklahoma, Texas, and northern Mexico. Got more scattered activity extending over here in Colorado, back over to Wyoming, also back over to western Montana, Idaho, back into Nevada, Utah, northern California, back into Oregon and Washington State. Got some snow in the mountain region. Got rain showers all the way down to southern California as well, and into the Baja area. Got a few scattered showers there. Got a few showers over the northern islands, central and south areas of Alaska, getting a few scattered showers, maybe a snow shower or two as well. And got some scattered showers around the Hawaiian chain islands as well. Puerto Rico got a few showers on the south side of the island there for this evening. Alright, let's take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories for your location across the nation. As you can see, we got quiet conditions over the northeast. Still got a few little flood watches and advisories for up in Maine and in New York, down towards the Connecticut region. Got some flood advisory around Maryland, Washington, D.C. Also, frost advisories over portions of northeast Ohio, back into Pennsylvania through West Virginia and Virginia. Also, we have some flood advisories over portions of Wisconsin area, flooding along areas, rivers there from along the Minnesota and North Dakota border, also in South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota as well. Some flooding along the Missouri, Illinois border as well. Got a flood watch here in portions of Oklahoma, and also over here portions northwest Colorado. Also got some flood watches also in effect for portions of Nevada, also Idaho, and also portions of northeast Oregon and southeast Washington State, northern Washington State. Got some hydro issues over Idaho, western Montana, and also into Oregon. Got some special weather statements over here in portion of Montana. Got some wind advisories over portion of Montana as well. Flood advisories, like I said, over Nevada. Flood watches over Nevada. Flood advisories over portions of Idaho and Oregon. Also, we have a wind advisory over portions of Arizona, a little bit over southern California. Got a few counties there with a winter weather advisory. Also in this area here over New Mexico and Colorado, got a red flag warning in effect for you guys, and also some special weather statements for you guys as well. Also, we have tornado watch in effect for southern Oklahoma and northeast northern Texas. Also a severe thunderstorm watch extending through central Texas as well. Alaska looks good. Got some gale warnings around the Hawaiian chain islands as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center forecast page, the overview page here. As you can see, we got scattered activity over the northeast, over here in the west. Also some scattered activity in the central portion of the United States. We got that marginal risk over here in portion of Utah, northeast Nevada, through Idaho, Washington, and northeast portion of Oregon and southwestern side of Montana. Also back over here into portion of Iowa through Nebraska, Kansas, back into Texas. Slight risk in the yellow there. We do have some severe thunderstorm watching. We have a tornado watch in red, a severe thunderstorm watch in blue. And let's take a look at the convection outlook. This is what I just showed you here without the radar view over here in portion of the west. Also, you have the watches area. See the red watches is red. Tornado watch. The blue is the severe thunderstorm watch discussion. That's where that tornado watch is located. All right, the storm report for today. We had one tornado report today. That was in Southern California. High wind report. We had two. One in Colorado, one in Texas. We had no large hail report, so that brought the total report. Alright, let's take a look at the fire weather. We still got some over northwest Texas through central and southern New Mexico, back into southeastern Arizona. And let's go ahead and round this out with satellite imagery across the southeastern United States. We got a bunch of clouds moving into eastern North Carolina, also over Tennessee and the South Carolina as well, also into Georgia and Alabama, and also into Florida as our next system moves in and affect the region tomorrow on your Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and pretty much of next week. Going to be kind of unsettled, and the temperature will be slowly on the rebound. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. And we'll catch you back in the